Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on STRAX. In today's analysis, we will take a look at some important and significant long-term support and resistance levels for STRAX. And I also want to show you this very long-term down trend line resistance of this down channel. And without breaking out this channel, it is not possible for STRAX to start a long-term bullish move from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share my recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon. And that was a harmonic setup. This was the move that I shared almost 2 days ago on 17th of July. In fact, 4 days ago. And you can see at that time it was moving inside this potential reversal zone or buying zone of this harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move. And our buying was starting from 71 cents and goes to 65 cents. And our sell targets were from 77 cents to 83 cents as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic pattern. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that price line rallied very well up to 84.4 cents, and this was, by the way, more than 27% pump. And right now you can see that the price line is moving here. And if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, then we can see that we have different significant and major long-term support and resistance levels that I have placed here on this chart. And you can see right now STRAX is struggling to break out this resistance that we have at 75 cents. And this level has been working as a resistance here on this weekly time frame back in April 2017. And here it was working as a support in October 2017. Here in April 2017, here in October 2017, and here it was working as a support in Feb 2019, as a support in May 2019, and as a support for several weeks. It has been working as a resistance here, by the way, not support, from July 2020 to August 2020. In fact, here as well, up to here till January 2021, and after breaking out, we have a slight bounce here. We went very close to this support, but we had a bounce, did not touch the support, and after breaking down, we again moved up, formed a double bottom here, in fact, at the next support that we have at 37 cents. And we, before this double bottom, we were rejected here on May 2022, and right now you can see after this long spike, we again moved down, and right now it is still struggling to break out this resistance of 75 cents. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, then you can see we are still moving slightly below than this support, and it is possible that soon we will also break out, sorry, not the support, this time it is working as a resistance, and soon it is possible that we may break out this resistance because we have already formed a double bottom here, like we formed a double bottom here, and we had a very big move. And after this correction, it is possible that we will have another move to break out the next resistance at $1.25. And this $1.25 has been working as a support here, as a support here, support here, and resistance here back in June 2019, in April 2019 as a resistance here, and support here for several weeks. It had been working as a support here back in 2018 as well. And for example, if we will be rejected, then our next support will be here. That is quite down from here. That is at 37 cents. And you can see that recently we have formed a double bottom at this support. And before that, from September 2020 to January 2021, it has been working as a support on this weekly time frame, and before that it has been working as a resistance from August 2019 to January 2020. So it can again work as a strong support, like it has been working as a strong support previously, and recently it has worked as a strong support. Now, for example, if we will be rejected, then it can again work as a strong support, but I'm not expecting that it is going to test this support again. And if we take a look at the next support that is very down from here, that is at 11 cents, and it has been breaking as a support here, as a resistance, and resistance here as well. Now if we watch some rejection points here, then we have a down trend line resistance. We have rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and here as well. Here I have placed this trend line on the same weekly time frame chart, and we can see that we also have some bounces from the support as well. So this is a very wide down channel where right now it is moving, STRAX is moving, and we can see that recently we are not only rejected by this $1.25 resistance that we were watching here, $1.25 resistance, we are also rejected by this downtrend line resistance of this down channel as well. So it is very important for STRAX, if we want to see any big move by STRAX, to break out this resistance of the channel and also this key resistance that we have here at $1.25. And after breaking out this big resistance, it will be possible that we may achieve a big move or big target from here. That is the target as per this down channel. That will be the top of the channel. And here we also have a quite strong resistance that will be very close to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.